Guys, I am at an estate sale today. It's all in this shop and it's all the kind of stuff that I like. Right off the bat, I saw all these paintbrushes. Some of these are really great and already has a great patina to them, so I'm definitely gonna find out the price on these. These are so awesome just for staging and decor. Here's some wooden spoon holders for $2. I like that it has this little shelf at the bottom. I don't know, what y'all think of these? I really like the size and the shape on them. It's an old lantern for $3. I love using these to decorate for Christmas. It's a broken iron. I love these old little toys in a kid's room, in a nursery. This green little metal tractor. This horse is really cool. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is metal. Doesn't stand on its own though. I'm gonna have to talk to my husband about this one. I think this would be cool if I could weld the feet down to something so that way it could turn into a piece of decor, because this thing is amazing. Oh my gosh. I wish it wasn't missing legs. Oh, here's a leg. I should glue that back on. Look how cute. That'd be adorable with some plants in it. This thing is amazing. Love the color, the rustiness. Also, look up here. I have a ton of stuff, amazing stuff, hanging from the ceiling. Those are lights, fans, tons of lamps. I found some more paintbrushes. Look, I love this. Just to hang up somewhere, especially the wooden ones. I don't know, what y'all think about these? Ooh, look at this one. The handle on that one. Look at this cabinet that all this stuff is in. That's cool. It says make an offer, rack and all the nails. Oh, you gotta buy the nails too with the rack. Here's a picture frame, $25. Look at all the layers to it. It's amazing. Some little metal shells. Found another paintbrush. Love this one. I don't know what these things are. Very interesting looking. Look at this one. No clue what that is. You know, leave a comment below. Ooh. Look at this piece, y'all. Is this a nesting box? I wonder if they're selling this. Got a bunch of mud diver nests and stuff. This piece is amazing. This is a great little pegboard. Fortunately, it's missing a good bit of the pegs. There's a bunch of rusty tools. It's an old calculator. That's cool. It's $25. Another little metal horse. Y'all check these out. Some old sleds. $30 and $35. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can pass that up. These are so cool. They got some more stuff out here. Some little school desk right there. A bunch of medical equipment. What do you want? A little workbench, I think. Here's an old rusty milk bucket, $50. This thing is huge, probably about 4 feet. It has a hole in it. You could plant something in there, have it come out of the hole. So they told us at the top of the hill they had this old barn full of wood that he thought maybe I would be interested in. Y'all, look at this. So I'm gonna look through it, see if there's any pieces that I want. Of course I want everything, but it needs to be manageable. So I'll probably just pick out a few pieces, and there's no way they're gonna sell all of this. So, you know, I know where it's at if I want some more. I'm looking for like some nice pieces like this that I could turn into some breadboards. Or I saw they had some pieces like this. You see all those saw marks? That would make amazing risers. Or if there's anything else that y'all would like me to make out of some of this wood, let me know. I have an old workbench right there. They have some newer wood too, so they have like plywood and all that. Let's go around there, see what's over there. This is the kind of sale that I haven't been looking for around here. I want an old rusty, crusty barn to dig through. He said he had a bunch of tin here that he's already taken down and sold. This is the antique tin. It has the smaller ridges. There's some more over there. So he said the whole barn was covered in it, and he already sold a bunch of it. Here's a little shack right here. Some stuff in it. Alright. This is the old gate right here. Look at these pieces of wood that the barn is built with. These are amazing. So this is all milled stuff. Rough cuts. This is the kind of stuff I'm looking for. Look how awesome that is. So when I make stuff out of this, I try to keep as much character as I want. I definitely don't want to take this stuff and try to make it look new. I want it to look old. So I'm going to dig a little bit and see if I can find me some good pieces. Oh, look at these pieces. Some old metal gates. That would be great in a garden. Let your vines grow up it. My husband loves these pieces. They're really thick, and look at all the wood detail in them. I think these will make great benches. Like, have this as the top of your bench. Like, look, I love that. Alright y'all, I just exercised a lot of self-control and willpower, and I am leaving this ginormous barn of wood with only 3 pieces. But I think I got 3 really good pieces. Look at the side of this. Love all the saw marks on this. Besides the wood, this is everything that I ended up purchasing from the sale today, and I am very, very excited about it. First, let's check out this metal rack. So actually all of these metal bins come out. So you got 3 different size bins. Look how great that looks. So y'all just go ahead and guess how much y'all think that I paid for this metal rack, and I'll tell y'all at the end of the video. I got the little cute baby stroller. I can just see this with some floral and some decor in it. The colors are absolutely amazing. This piece is so cool. And then I ended up buying both of the sleds. I just thought they were a great price for the size of these. What y'all think about those? And then I got this set of Mark Twain books. I just really liked the color on them. So pretty. And since there was a set, I figured that would be good. And then I ended up buying the horse because I found all the pieces for it, and I just could not pass up this metal horse. It needs to be cleaned a little bit, but it is absolutely beautiful. Love that. And I got 2 of the spoon racks because I just love the little shelf that was here. I got this gun. It is a toy gun, and I just thought it was really, really cool. That would look great in the little boy's room just as a piece of decor. I can't pass up these Avon dolls. Absolutely love them. Okay, let me know what y'all think about the brushes. I love them. I mean, look at these. How cute. I'm probably going to sell some of them individually and some of them as a set. 'Cause, like, look how good these three right here look together. These are my favorite. I have a few of these around my house. They just look great in any room. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about the brushes. So let me tell y'all what I paid for this metal cabinet. I paid $40 for this. And they took all of the nails out for me. When we went back to pick it up, they had it emptied out. So that was great. All right, guys, I hope that y'all enjoyed this shopping trip. I loved it. I want a barn sale every single weekend. It just gives me life. I love digging through that kind of stuff and rescuing these items that most people would just pass up. Y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all in the next video.